What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from S&S Worldwide, and today is a special day because we're going to try out Axis, their brand new prototype roller coaster. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go! Overall first impressions, that launch is killer. Such a short track, so it's got to get up to speed really quick. Very powerful, and then of course at the very top it does the inversion, and that's so weird because you can see the track the way it is, it's where it's supposed to be, but you go around the track.
I don't remember the launch. I was just here and then I was there. Like, I really don't remember accelerating at all.
That was incredible. That's like has the most unique feeling of any roller coaster I've been on. Like, the launch was really intense. Like, you hit your top speed right away. It's a very unique feeling. It's very gentle when it rotates around. It's amazing.
It just glides around. You said your heart just started racing.
Yeah, no, like heart rate elevated. Yeah, no, it's very serious.
I love it. This is awesome.
All right, so here we go up the platform, and there is the train.
Whoa! Whoa.
Lost my stomach there a little bit.
Whoa! That's so weird.
Whoa, the track's next to us. I know, it's a good sign. I love it though. Whoa. This is so cool, especially with all the mountains too. Like this all.
Yes.
Oh man.
What do you think, Arthur?
Alrighty guys, so we're here at S&S. Tell me why we're doing Axis and why is it special to this amusement industry?
Well, Axis, from our perspective, is the most exciting new attraction on the market today. It combines the best of a wing coaster, an inverted coaster, or a top ride coaster, all into one ride experience. So you get a full 360-degree ride all the way around the track. It's smooth. The ride feels effortless. I don't know that there's any coaster out there that makes you feel like flying quite like Axis does. And we're just thrilled to be able to start market it. We're so happy to have Midway Mayhem here today.
Thank you.
To ride it, to help us promote it, because it's great feedback from folks like you that get the parks excited about buying a ride and really being the leaders in new attractions like Axis.
Yeah, and I agree. Now, I gotta say with my rides, the launch is great, but that's not what we're trying to focus on here. Axis does some crazy stuff with the train and chassis, and who came with that? Why? Why are we doing this? Is it because we can?
Because we can. You know, we can only go so high, we can only go so fast, and we're trying to come up with an experience that is unique to roller coasters. You know, we're sending people hundreds of feet in the air. We're breaking sound records all the time, or speed records, excuse me. But this does something that no other coaster on the market does. And you know, a lot of the features, the way the inversions happen, that we haven't even named them yet.
Yeah.
A lot of these elements don't even exist, and so we're just so excited because this really is innovative. It really is new. This isn't just faster, bigger. This is really unique and something that nobody else is doing. And so we're really proud of the ride. We're proud of how it rides. We're proud of how this prototype has turned out. We know that the first rides, when they begin opening in a couple of years, are going to be amazing draws for the parks that bring them in. So we're just super excited about it.
Yeah, I fully agree. Now, of course, you just talked about the elements and whatnot. What's so great about Axis is you have an unlimited playbook. Anything, any direction, I mean, literally any axis the park wants, you can give it to them.
That's right. One of the cool things about Axis is you know, with a traditional coaster, you ride and what you see in front of you, you know what's coming.
Yeah.
With Axis, you don't have that. It's totally unpredictable. So from a rider perspective, it's really unique because you don't expect what's happening to you, and the off-ride experience is just as cool. Watching the Axis, the way it moves, it's almost mesmerizing. So it provides entertainment not only for the riders but for those that may not want to ride a coaster. It's a great thing to just sit and watch because the way the vehicle moves, like I said, it's almost mesmerizing. It's really fun to watch.
It's very dynamic. I mean, you'll never have the same ride twice.
Exactly.
So re-rideability and having something different is what parks want, and you're giving it to them. So again, thank you for speaking with us. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from S&S Worldwide, and I do want to say thank you to them for inviting us out for Axis, a truly revolutionary roller coaster that we hope to see built in the near future. I highly recommend it. It's an awesome ride, good launch, at least for what we did here, and the rotations are amazing. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, hopefully, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.